Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to be making some pumpkin spice cupcakes with maple frosting. If that doesn't say fall, I don't know what does. Anyways, come with me. So I have things set up here, so all I have to do is put it together. And of course the recipe will be in the bottom. All you have to do is hit more and you will see the recipe with everything all spelled out. So I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour. I have baking powder, baking soda. I have cinnamon, fresh cinnamon, fresh nutmeg, and salt, kosher salt. So I'm going to put that in here with the flour mixture, and I'm just going to sift this so we don't get any lumps. Okay, it was looking easy. Over here in this bowl, I have 1 cup of pumpkin puree. See that? And I'm going to add half a cup of vegetable oil. So I have this all set up here. Yes. Okay. Now I'm going to add the granulated sugar and the brown sugar in. I'm going to add the freshly grated ginger. And 2 eggs. Okay. Now we're going to beat all this together. Oh, it smells good. It smells like fall. Look at that. Now we're going to add the flour mixture in here, and we're going to do this in 2 batches. Okay, next. Boy, I tell you, it's starting to get to be fall in Florida, but it's still 80 to 90 degrees every day. We were up north for a couple of days, and it was so nice and cool. Really enjoyed it. The leaves are starting to fall, and it was just beautiful. So, starting to see there. Okay, so we're done mixing this, and we're just gonna put it into, oh, my oven is ready. I have my cupcakes pan ready, and I use the little individual ones, so it's pretty easy to do. And so, not sure which one of these will be better to scoop it, but let's see. And I certainly don't want to make a mess, so Okay, this is gonna be a slow process. I'm gonna try to do it right in there. Okay, that works a lot better. Oh, it smells so good. So I'm gonna finish putting these in, and then I'll I have to wait until they're cool before I can put the frosting on, so tough out already, if you can believe that. But okay, so now my oven is ready, and we're gonna put these in and bake them at 350. And okay, I got a little bit of a mess here. 350 for 25 to 30 minutes. And you're good to go. Thank you. There you go. Oh, that's hot, 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 hot. So here we are. We're gonna make the frosting while the cupcakes are cooking. So we have the 2 cups of confectionery sugar in this bowl, and we have some cream cheese, some Philadelphia cream cheese, and butter, and we're gonna put, excuse me, we're gonna put 2 tablespoons of pure maple syrup from Vermont. This is good stuff. Yeah. Oh, this is maple season in New England, I'll tell you. I remember them putting the buckets up on the trees to get the drippings. And then we're gonna put half a teaspoon of Madagascar vanilla. Okay, half a teaspoon. I know, that's a mouthful to say, isn't it? Let's get this half a teaspoon going here. Half a teaspoon of vanilla. You gotta have fun while you're cooking, right? Can't get too serious. I mean, nobody's perfect. Okay, so we got the maple syrup, we got the vanilla, we got butter, cream cheese, and confectionery sugar. So we're just gonna give this a good whisk. And it's gonna take a few minutes for the muffins to cool off, so we're gonna have to wait to do this, but for you it'll be almost instantly. Oh yeah, oh. That maple syrup smells so good. Liking this. Okay, so we got our frosting ready. And the muffins will be out in a few minutes. We'll see you when the muffins are nice and cool, and we'll frost them together. Thank you for watching. Okay, our muffins are mostly cool, but I have to tell you, my house smells like Thanksgiving with all the spices that are in here. It just smells so beautiful. But anyways, so we're gonna, I have the frosting in here. I had to put it in here to fill it up. So we have the frosting in the bag, and we're gonna frost these here. And so we're gonna sprinkle. I just toasted the pecans. Here, I'll show you what it looks like. So just put a few on there. These are toasted with about a tablespoon of butter and some cinnamon. Oh my God. Now you all have to try this because I'm so excited about it. I do want to hear from everyone. These are going to be so good. Okay, and that's it for my pumpkin cupcakes. Look at that. Put this over here, give you a good view of it. Isn't that beautiful? There you go. Thank you all. I hope you make this recipe, and I'd be waiting to hear from you how you like it. Thank you. Take care.